so there's more people walking up, and we're going to have continuous people coming. So as more people come, you guys can just kind of line the sidewalk. Be careful not to get on the street because Glendora PD will enforce traffic violations. So let's just continue to be loud, and we are that change.
I have a sore throat. I'm trying to like...